My name is Tyler Gorsline, and my experience at Seattle Pacific Seminary has prepared me for ministry in innumerable ways. I never would have imagined when I started that the experiences that I would get, both in my growth as a person of faith, as someone who is committed to learning about God and how God matters for our world, as well as being someone who would be on mission in my city. As a pastor of a church plant in the Amazon.com campus in downtown Seattle, about a mile and a half away from SPU, I was so surprised at how everything I was learning in my seminary classes as I completed my degree alongside being a pastor was preparing me for the conversations that were happening in our city, for helping me to serve the incredible crowd of brilliant people who are from all over the world and have so many thoughts about who God is and who God isn't. And being in my classes, it felt like every week as I was preparing to preach on Sundays, I was learning all the more how to honor God and love God with my mind and to help other people to do the same. One of the most impactful experiences of my time in seminary was sitting under Dr. Brenda Salter McNeil, who is a leading expert in reconciliation work in our country and in our world regarding issues of race and justice. And being in her class absolutely shaped me as someone who could step into the apostolic calling that we have to be people who are sent out into the world to share Jesus' love and grace. Being someone who learned under her and so many great professors here really helped me to be able to someone who could step into the public in a way that loved God and loved people. And it's forever changed my life and my sense of ministry calling, and being someone who is part of the apostolate sent to the ends of the earth to help Jesus to be known.